Until it's a dim down a notch. Cause I can name some things that I'm gon' do. Wow, wow, wow.
Hi guys! Hey, my name's ShanaJRay. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Joining me from my Amazon haul, I wanted to unbox my ring light so you guys could see how it came, and I'm gonna like set it up and see how it works and try it out. I'm so excited! Okay, and also I'm gonna have the links below for where I bought the one I bought. This one was really inexpensive, so I hope everything works great. But yeah, so let's get into it. Okay. Ooh. So we have the ring light itself. This came with the stand right here, and it's got some little doodads to hook up your phone, your camera, some diffuser little strip things to diffuse the light different colors, and that's all that's in there. So let's do it by the stilts here, the stand part. I'm not really sure what I'm doing because this is the first time I've ever done a ring light, but I'm pretty sure it's like self-explanatory, right? Okay, that worked. So I just like pulled that part down. Okay, cool. And then this is like a tripod. Cool. So just leave it like right here. I feel like these are like too loose or something. Like, is it just me? Are they supposed to like bring themselves out a little bit more? Maybe they're supposed to. Oh, that's what it is. Okay. So loosen this part up. This little thing is supposed to come down a little further. Wait, is it? No. Oh, it's supposed to come out? This is so confusing. Oh. So maybe it's feet and not. Okay, so it's supposed to go like that. Just the foot and not the whatever. Okay, so let's do this again. So that way you know your camera's not going anywhere. Damn, it's probably way higher than I actually need it. That's so cool. Okay. Box. The actual ring light apparatus.
Hello guys. Ready, channel, and me.
Oh my god. Oh cool, I didn't even realize it came with like a little case.
Backpack.
Yeah, backpack.
And that is backpack.
So it comes with a little carrying case. Perfect. Let's see what this thing looks like. Can't get it out. There it is. So far so good. Everything looks like how it did on Amazon. So yeah, it's got a little dimmer on off switch. Put that on the off side. Fuse, I'm not sure. Is this fuse? It's like scratched right here. That's weird. Otherwise it looks brand new. So oh, it tilts, so it's just, I don't know what I'm doing.
Ready, channel, versus me. Mommy,
okay, so that loosens up the little neck part. And I'm sure this part, like...
Okay. I do,
Oh, yeah, I guess you can put it like up and down and like sideways. This is like so high up right now. Alright, so we're just gonna try
Mommy,
that.
die.
Like it should feel like... I really feel like that's not how it's supposed to go. I really feel like that's not how it goes. It feels like really flimsy like that. I don't know. I don't want to break anything. Ooh! Ooh! Okay. So I think I've got it going on. So let's go ahead. Oh, there's a fuse in here. Okay, so let me put that here. Strangely enough, I was gonna say I didn't have any freaking instructions. So there's a little for the phone. I actually already have one, so this is gonna be awesome to have 2 of them. Let's see here. I want to say this one's for the camera. This one is a little tripod adapter for the cell phone, so it can turn every which way. That's really, really cool. None of this gives me the info I need. Oh yeah, it's by Limo Studios. And then this one is like the top of the tripod thing, like this for the. So wait, what is this one for? I don't remember now. This one's for the camera. That's why I got it for this and this because this is almost like $10 on Amazon. And this, I never saw that before, so I thought that was a cool idea to have on the thing. So you can set your phone up there, your TV up there. Let's see if one of these has the. Okay, so that's the information for that. This doesn't really give me anything. That's what you have to do to go on there. I don't know. Okay, anyway, I will be finding some instructions on this. Oh wait, I think I found it. What is this for? Okay, so it comes with this, these 4 little pieces. Let me look. Okay, so this does something. Okay, I found this little piece and I think this is how it goes. So we're gonna go with, it goes like this. That looks right? And then this piece, it has the little adapter piece so that you can slide the flash onto it. That's the only thing I can think of for this. Otherwise, this seems like this holds it down into place because there's no like screw here. So we're gonna say that's what it is. There are no instructions on this. So let's plug her in and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so I turned it on. Oh, there it is. I didn't realize it's on. So that's at low. Let's turn it up and see what gets higher and higher. Ooh. Okay, that's full capacity. That is pretty doggone good. This is supposed to be 18 inches. I don't know. Yeah, it's about 18 inches. And if I'm not mistaken, this is LCD, so it's not a bulb to be replaced. So let's see what it looks like with the camera. Okay, low. Getting higher, all the way up. I like it. Does my face look brighter? Does everything look? I'm gonna have my little fill light lamp over to the side here. I will be getting some soft boxes eventually. So I have some big soft boxes right here with my ring light. I don't know, I'm gonna have to take some selfies later. What do you think? Awesome. So, guys, let's turn this down. I really like it. So hopefully the quality of my videos, let's just keep that on. Hopefully guys, the quality of my videos is gonna get much better. I hope you all enjoyed and like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Wow.